Today we'll be replacing the display assembly on a Galaxy Note 4.
This repair will take about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll be handling fragile parts, so take your time and be gentle. Required tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a metal spudger, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a heat gun.
Be sure to use the Werx repair mat to keep all screws organized. Some screws have the same size but different lengths and can be easily misidentified during reassembly.
If your display glass is cracked, keep further breakage contained and prevent bodily harm during your repair by taping the glass using packing tape. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any glass shaken free during the repair, and be sure to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static charges in the device.
Insert a fingernail or a plastic opening tool into the divot to the left of the rear-facing camera. Gently pry and twist the flexible rear cover off of the back of the phone. Insert a fingernail or a plastic opening tool into the recess in the bottom right corner of the battery and lift upwards.
When using the heat gun, be careful not to leave it heating in one area for too long. Consistently move the heat gun when using it. Heat the glass just enough until it's warm to the touch. Using the flat end of a metal spudger, slowly insert it between the plastic frame and the glass.
Carefully insert the metal spudger to separate the glass from the function key. Use the metal spudger as leverage as you pull to separate the LCD from the frame. Remove any adhesive left behind from the frame.
If the edge is cool and not warm to the touch anymore, reheat is needed for easier separation.
Use the plastic opening tool or the plastic spudger to disconnect the LCD and stylus flex cable.
Use the metal spudger to clean and scrape the old adhesive and any glass off of the device edges. If the frame is bent, do your best to bend it back into shape. If you are still having trouble, please contact Werx for assistance. Insert the LCD to the front panel assembly. Make sure flex cables are properly aligned before snapping back into place and gently push on connections until they connect. Insert the battery, making sure there is a proper connection, and perform a test.
Now turn on the device to perform a small test.
Remove the battery from the device. Be sure to also remove the protective plastic from the back of the new LCD.
Connect the LCD and stylus flex cable. Before setting down the LCD, make sure it is properly aligned.
Run your fingers along the sides of the device, being sure the assembly slips evenly into the frame, and make sure the new display assembly sits flush inside the frame.
Now insert the battery, the back cover, and the stylus. If you have questions related to this repair, please contact Werx for assistance.